First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account you want to manage. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner, then select the account you want to work with. Once you've selected your account, tap on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a new screen with several tabs at the top. Swipe over to the Security tab. Now scroll down until you find your devices or Manage All Devices. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices where your Google account is currently signed in, including other phones, tablets, or computers. Look through the list and find the device you want to remove your account from. Tap on that device, and then tap Sign Out. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your Google account will be removed from the device. This is especially useful if you've logged into someone else's phone or lost access to a device. It's a great way to keep your account safe and private. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.